headache, headache, tête fait mal. Earache, earache, oreilles fait mal. Toothache, toothache, dents fait mal. Stomachache, stomachache, ventre fait mal. Backache, backache, dos fait mal. Sore throat, sore throat, gorge fait mal. Fever, fever, la fièvre. Code, code, li ka signifie deux bagailles. Mais ça parle dépend à qui verbe que vous utilisez li. Si que vous utilisez avec verbe to be, les ça la veut dire fret. Mais si c'est verbe to have que vous utilisez li, la veut dire rime. Parce que n'a pris quelques exemples dans la vidéo, OK? Cough, cough, tousse. Infection, infection, infection. Stuffed neck, stuffed neck. Cou red. Runny nose, runny nose. Nez coulé, nez la rime. Bloody nose, bloody nose. Nez saigné. Cramps, cramps, cramp. Diarrhea, diarrhea, diarrhée. Chest pain, chest pain, douleur l'estomac. What, what, zampoud. Dizzy, dizzy, tête virée. Nauseous, nauseous, cœur plein. Sneeze, sneeze, éteigner, externer. Bleed, bleed, saigner. Swollen, swollen, enflé. Burn, burn, brûler. Mumps, mumps, malmouton. Wash, wash, bouton. Wingworm, wingworm, pias. Hiccups, hiccups, oquette. Cough of blood, cough of blood. Tousser sang. Itchy, itchy, gratel. Once, once, une fois. Twice, twice, deux fois. Three times, three times, trois fois. Measles, measles, la rougeole. I would like to see a doctor. I would like to see a doctor. Mwen ta remen wè yon docteur. Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? Est-ce que vous gen yon rendez-vous? Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Oui, mwen gen. Ou bien, non, mwen pa gen. Okay? The doctor will be with you soon. The doctor will be with you soon. Yon docteur parle avec vous bientôt. Wait here. Wait here. Tani sit là. What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? Ki problem ou genye? I have a headache. I have a headache. Mwen gen tèt fè mal. My throat hurts me a lot. My throat hurts me a lot. Goj mwen a fè mal an pil. Where does it hurt exactly? Where does it hurt exactly? Ki kote exactement la fè ou mal la? It hurts here. It hurts here. La fè mal la. I have a slight fever. I have a slight fever. Mwen gen yon ti la fiev. I have a high fever. I have a high fever. Mwen gen yon gwo la fiev. Since when does it happen? Since when does it happen? Depi ki lè sa pase? I have a fever since yesterday. I have a fever since yesterday. Mwen gen yon la fiev depi ye. Lie down here. Lie down here. Couche la. Open your mouth and stick out your tongue. Open your mouth and stick out your tongue. Ouvri bouchou epi mette langou de yo. Breathe deeply. Breathe deeply. Respire profondément. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Comment vous sentez-vous? I feel bad. I feel bad. Mwen pa sentim bien. I sneeze. I sneeze. Si ou pa vle di ma pe tenye, ou kapab di ma pe stenye, paske le plus souvent c'est kon sa nou tande. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. Mwen senti tête vire. I cough. I cough. Mwen gen tous. I can't sleep at night. I can't sleep at night. Mwen pa ka dormi la nuit. I am going to take your blood pressure. I am going to take your blood pressure. Mwen pral pran tension ou. Roll up your sleeve. Roll up your sleeve. Tousse manchou. Your blood pressure is low, high, normal. On déjà connaît que li va garder à la fois. Son seul y a pas, juste mettez comme ça, c'est pour vidéo à pas trop longue, OK? Tension ou bas, haut ou bien normal. I cough up blood. I cough up blood. Moi tousse sang. I have a pain in my neck. I have a pain in my neck. Mwen gen yon doule nan kou. My body hurts. My body hurts. Koma fè mal. I have a cold. I have a cold. Mwen gen rime. My neck is stiff and sore. My neck is stiff and sore. Koum red epi la fè mal. I have an earache. I have an earache. Zoray mwen a fè mal. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. Mwen gen goj fè mal. I have a cough. I have a cough. Mwen gen tous. I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. Vat mwen a fè mal. I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. Ne map koule. I have a backache. I have a backache. Mwen gen do fè mal. I have a flu. I have a flu. Mwen gen grippe. How long have you been sick? How long have you been sick? Depi ki lè ou malade? I have been sick since for 3 weeks. I have been sick since for 3 weeks. Mwen malade depuis 3 semaines. What do I have to take? What do I have to take? Ki sa m dwe pran? I'm going to prescribe you a medicine. I'm going to prescribe you a medicine. Mwen pral prescrire yon médicament. Here is the prescription. Here is the prescription. Mes prescriptions. How many times a day? How many times a day? Combien fois par jour? You need to take this twice a day. You need to take this twice a day. Ou dwe pran sa 2 fois par jour. Before or after eating. Before or after eating. Avant ou bien après manger. You have to take it after eating. You have to take it after eating. Ou dwe pran avant ou manger.